tip of the day. We'll be making cold brew coffee using a Lotus produce bag. So take 1 cup of coffee grounds, place it into a quart size mason jar. Fill that mason jar with cold water right to the top. Make sure you pour over the coffee so all the coffee gets wet. You might even pour it, shake it a little bit, and then pour a little bit more. Let that sit for 24 hours. Then it looks like this. So after 24 hours, you'll have this beautiful cold brew coffee. And now we want to separate the grounds. So just pour it into another mason jar, pouring it right through your Lotus produce bag. And this nice fine mesh of the Lotus produce bag is gonna keep that sludge out of your cold brew coffee. So just pour it in and then take out those grounds and you have the perfect cold brew for these warm days ahead.